Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this isn't going to help too many people. Maybe it will help them. Somebody sent me this file. It's just a jagged zigzag line. And for some reason, they want all the bottom edges being the same. This is longer because of the fact that it's two corners coming together. So to get it to do this, you can't just snap to that corner because it's a line and it's snapping to the node, but you can grab that line, go to object, and convert that object to or that curve to an object. Now your line will snap to that line. So if you wanted this line snap to that one, you are going to change the angle a little bit, but you can move that up. It'll snap to that angle. Or whoop, it'll snap to that line, and now all your lines are on the same line. Make sure you grab both those nodes and just scrunch them up. I believe your angles will be a bit different, but if that's what they're wanting, that's how to do it. And if you want to just play around a little bit more, maybe that's what they're getting at. I don't know. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.